junkyard. We heard there's a scrap 240Z in here. So we're gonna go look at it and see if it's any good.
Ah! Barn find 240Z!
Where'd this come from?
Whoa.
Whoa, this thing's clean. Look at those body gaps. Oh my, it's so clean. Just kidding, guys. It looks great. McLean looks really good.
Alright, we're back in the shop. You saw the Datsun maybe like 45 minutes ago. We've taped most everything off now, and then also put tinfoil on everything that we don't want spray painted. There's going to be a little bit of excess on this stuff because we're just lazy. The reservoirs, most of the loom and whatnot's been covered up. Sounds like McLean's going to be cutting, you can see it I'm sure, the little holes there, there. He's already got one, a big old hole he needs to patch right there. So we're going to work on this for the next little while. And then after that, we got to go get some metal to patch it. And then,
Look at this. This is why we do our life. This is good. Look at the metal bend, as you can see. Be like that.
what's after this? We just paint everything and call it a day?
Pretty much. These squints.
Yeah, there you go. Hey! Huh? Almost cut your head off.
I know. We have to do this now.
I think you're out of luck.
Just hit it with a hammer.
Something better. There you go, fixed it.
They're covered in sawdust.
I can't see shiz through them. They look better though.
Ooh, melted.
Me kill around in here?
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's rust free.
We'll vacuum that out.
Yeah.
You need to. Take a corner.
The F we will.
Okay, now hit this side.
Brock, would you like to do the honors of hitting this?
Yeah, Brock,
Yes,
hit this
I will
side.
do this side for you. Ah!
Nice. Rest in peace, Datsun frame. What's the question?
Here, suck. Datson's drop.
Oh, rust in the house vacuum.
Okay, I think we're clogged already.
Nice job.
Suck up half a piece.
Oh!
Right.
Oh yeah, right there. Pull it up. There you go. There you go.
Okay, is that it still? That's just dirt.
Just go,
It's
just go.
sucking harder now.
Right there. Come on, buddy.
Stab through. You gotta pump it. It's not that bad anymore. So we're sponsored by today's sponsors, Datsun vacuums. They suck. S-U-C-C. Suck. Oh. Rust. Come on, Bobby. No, it popped out.
Oh fuck.
What?
Doc!
Good lord.
That's what I call the perfect anti-rust. Oh my god.
That's sucking up.
Oh fuck. That's good, that's good.
I think he's probably full now.
Yeah, she's probably full of rust, bro. That's good.
Good lord.
I like my women like I like my rust. Crusty. Keep going. You're good. Just get the edges of the primer. Like get all that.
Rest in peace, real.
Right. That's why my 240 is fast.
Weight reduction from rust.
Literally.
Alright.
Doing a burnout. Excuse me? Beat up your own Datsun, okay?
Do you guys have anything to bend that metal, or are you just gonna like weld one piece, cut it, weld another piece, cut it?
Well, we got a die cut here. I'll probably just get one big kind of square piece like that big.
Bend it?
And then bend it in half and then stick it right there. And then we'll probably just patch weld it, so like put it there and then weld all the way around it.
Oh, hold up, hold up.
Put it there and then we weld all the way around it. Yeah, the TikTok. And we put it up there and weld all the way around it.
That shouldn't be too bad. It's just that bottom part that's gonna kind of suck.
Give me the weld. Give me.
What do you want?
I was playing. You have a vice?
Time to get welding. Welding material.
Yeah, I need to grind shit on this thing.
That's pretty cut, isn't it? Pretty good. Hey, actually, do you want to go over this real quick?
Alright, we'll be back when there's metal to be put back in.
Plan.